Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an account and the right credentials. Without that, you can't connect. Once done, make sure your device OS is updated and there's enough storage for the app. Open the VPN app or the system VPN settings now. You'll be prompted to grant permissions or install a profile. Allow these because the VPN needs them to create a secure tunnel. If prompted, choose the connection protocol or leave default for easiest setup. Now you pick a server, choose a nearby one for speed or a particular country for access. Next, configure the protocol. Automatic is fine for most, but choosing WireGuard or OpenVPN can improve speed or compatibility. Make sure to enable the kill switch so your traffic stops if the VPN drops, and turn on AutoConnect for untrusted Wi-Fi. Once these settings are set, save them and prepare to initiate the connection. You'll see a connect button or a system toggle. Tap Connect and wait until the app shows you as connected. You should see the new IP and country listed. Once connected, verify by visiting an IP check site or accessing a geo-restricted service to confirm routing. If it fails to connect, restart the app or device, switch to a different server, or change the protocol to troubleshoot. Also check permissions and firewall settings. If issues persist, contact support. Provide the app logs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.